Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously I've got gestures applied right now, but still I will show you the way to get into the proper section, and I will show you how to switch between those two modes. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find the system. Right here in this common section we've got navigation mode, so let's tap on it, and of course we've got 2 different options. So let's pretend I've got button navigation applied. So as you can see, here you've got also the option to customize the buttons, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. And to set the gesture navigation, simply tap on this option, gesture navigation. And instead of the 3 buttons right here, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of option that will allow us to customize this line, so for example hide it. So we have to have it right here. I believe so, at least. We do not have anything here, but as you can see it will disappear. Alright, so now let me explain how to use the gestures. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger or your pen from the right to the center until you'll see this arrow and release the fingerprint or pen. Finger or pen. If you will hold it for too long, you will simply open this additional bar with the options. And it works the same from the left side, as you can see. We have to do it quite quickly. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, you will have to swipe your finger or the pen from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So do something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that. Or pen, obviously. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.